teapot. I'm a little and stout. Here's my handle, here's my staff. Tip me up and pour me out.
You know you like the teapot. You know you like the teapot.
Do you have sugar? Of course I do. I have
Do you have milk?
It comes from down here. No, here.
It comes from here.
Ew, breast milk.
Well, we're our babies.
Laura's the biggest baby.
I'm a teapot. Who's Laura? I need some milk from Laura.
Oh, hey, I'm Laura.
Brookland Avenue.
You got ready?
No.
No,
Stacey lives on that street.
Where is Tension Fish Bar?
Send some fish balls
It's just over there.
Up there. Oh, right.
Safe.
See